Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you on how to add your own music to Instagram story. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you want to add your own music to an Instagram story but can't find it in Instagram's music section, you can use the CapCut app as a workaround. First, download CapCut, a free video editor available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Open CapCut and tap New Project, then choose the video or photo you want to include in your story. If you haven't taken the photo or video yet, you can do so now. After selecting your media, remove the CapCut watermark by tapping on it and selecting Delete. If your photo initially displays for only 3 seconds, you can extend its duration by tapping on the photo in the timeline and dragging the edge of the white ribbon that appears around it. To add music, tap the back button at the bottom left to access all the tools, then select Audio and Sounds. You can use sounds available on TikTok, but if your desired music isn't there, you can add custom audio. One method is to use the Extracted feature, which lets you add audio from any video in your camera roll. You can record a video of the music playing on another device and use CapCut to extract the audio. Another method is the VoiceOver tool, where you play the music on another device and record it directly using CapCut. Just make sure to place the cursor at the start of your timeline before recording. Press and hold the record button to capture the sound and release it when you're finished. Tap the checkmark in the bottom right to add the recording to your project. After adding the audio, you can adjust its volume or add effects by tapping on it in the timeline. Once you're satisfied with your creation, tap the Export button in the top right corner to save the video with your custom music. To add this video to your Instagram story, open Instagram, swipe right to access the story camera, and swipe up to open your camera roll. Select the video you saved from CapCut. You can then add text, stickers, or other effects. Finally, tap your story to post it. By following these steps, you can easily add any music to your Instagram story, even if it's not available in Instagram's music library. So that's basically how to add your own music to Instagram story. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.